totally sucks. Didn't even think about it. Well, Kelly, you don't know what you're missing there, buddy. Sitting at home with your $11,000 worth of shit just sitting there. Look at the water. Hey, Billy, want to go out there and check it out?
Yeah, how deep it is?
We'd die for sure. Here's little Michelle. Hi, Michelle. There's Billy scratching his nuts as usual. Boy, it doesn't sure get too good when you're so close. Unbelievable. You can't get across. What do we do?